Page number 66.
I'm 66.
Okay, start
Yes, ma'am.
reading. Hurry up.
66.
Now, Mr. Lamb, he advises Derry to find out on his own by watching, listening, sitting, है ना? Or moving here and there. And then he says, I'll just move because I have to see to the bees. And then Derry, he says, we have done this, na? Quote dialogue from the top. Those other people who come here, do they talk to you, ask you things? So Mr. Lamb,
Yes,
he
ma'am.
says, some do, some don't. I ask them, I like to learn. Okay, कुछ आते हैं, कुछ पूछते हैं, कुछ नहीं पूछते हैं. But I talk to them because I'm interested to talk. I'm interested to learn. I don't believe in them from here, na?
Yes, ma'am.
So he says, I don't believe in them. I don't think anybody ever comes. You're here by yourself and miserable, and no one would know if you were alive or dead, and nobody cares. Now, Derry, you know, he says कि I just don't trust you at all, है ना? Because वो कहता है कि I don't think anybody comes here. उसको लगता है वो झूठ बोल रहा है. Nobody comes there, and you are here all by yourself. Means all alone you are here, and you are in the miserable condition, and no one would ever know. In case if something happens to you, whether you are alive or dead, nobody will come to know. क्यों? क्योंकि उसका ये मानना है कि कोई नहीं आता है और आप यहाँ पर अकेले ही रहते हो. Who is this ME6 book? Name? Yes. What is your
Yes,
name?
ma'am.
Yeah, this with ME6. कौन है ये? ME6. Who is there? Should I remove you? Who are you? Your name should be here. Nobody should be there on the screens with any kind of codes or with any other letters or alphabets. You should be here on the screen with your original names written.
Okay.
Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
So now what he says, कि yes, है ना, you are not telling me the truth. Actually, nobody comes here and you are all alone here. And if something happens to you, even if you're dead, nobody would ever come to know. You think what you please, Mr. Lamb कहते think whatever you feel like. जो भी तुम्हारी इच्छा है सोचो तुम. All right, then tell me some of the names. तो फिर वो कहता है, जब वो थोड़ा सा blunt reply देते हैं ना, तो उसको लगता है कि he is getting angry. तो कहते हैं, okay, fine, then tell me the names whosoever comes into the garden. What are names? Tom, Dick or Harry? एक दो नाम बता देता है, and then he gets up and he says, I'm off down to the bees. I think you are deaf, crazy. और फिर वो कहते हैं कि मैं तो जा रहा हूँ बीस के पास. अब उसको डेरी को गुस्सा आ जाता है. वो कहता है, आप तो डेफ हो, आप क्रेजी हो, आप पागल हो. That is a good excuse. Okay. Now Mr. Lamb says that this is a very good excuse you are giving me that I am crazy. Why? Because this can be an excuse to you for not coming to my garden again. Okay. Good excuse not to come back. देखो आगे कह देते हैं ना, it is a good excuse for you not to come back. Why? Because you have declared me as crazy. तो crazy person के पास कौन जाना पसंद करेगा? तो तुमने एक बहाना ले लिया not to come back to me, and you have got a burnt face, and that's other people's excuse. Now you are having this excuse not to come to me that I'm crazy, but other people, they have this excuse कि you are having a burnt face, so they do not approach to you, they don't come to you. You are like the others. You like to say things like that. If you don't feel sorry for my face, you're frightened of it. And if you are not frightened, you think I'm ugly as a devil. I'm a devil, don't you? Now he becomes very angry and he says, even you are like the other people, you know, you say people as other people's, they talk similarly. You also talk in that manner. और फिर देखो क्या कहता है. If you're not sorry about my face, okay, इसका मतलब you are frightened, आप डर रहे हो. और यदि डर नहीं रहे हो, if you are not frightened, then आपने मुझे accept कर लिया है कि I'm ugly as a devil, okay? मैं बिल्कुल devil की तरह ugly हूँ. Yes, I'm a devil. और वो जोर जोर से चिल्लाने लगता है. But Mr. Lamb, you know, he does not reply. He just goes away. तो Daddy कहता है, no, you don't. I like it here, okay? No, you don't have to go. I like it this place, you know, and you don't have to be frightened anymore. And then he gets up and he shouts. And then he says, while going, he says, I'm going, but I'll come back. You see, you wait, I can run. I haven't got it in leg. I will be back. अब वो कहता है, देखो मैं जा रहा हूँ, but I'm going to come back. And you just see and wait. I'll return. I haven't got a tin leg like you. I will be back. And then he just goes away. He runs away to his house. Mr. Lamb, अपने आप से बात कर रहे हैं. There, my dears, that you seen too. You know, we all know I'll come back. They never do, though. Not them, never do come back. Now he's talking to himself and he's saying, children, they come here and they, yes, they make a kind of a promise to me कि yes, they would return back. But everybody knows, even I know, even you know that they never return. And similarly, even you are not going to return back. This Dia, have you joined the class today? Very first time you have joined? Dia Ilani, कौन है ये? Yes, answer me.
Yes, ma'am.
This is the very first time you have joined the class?
Yes, ma'am.
Why so, beta?
What?
Why so? Today is the first time you've joined the class.
Yes,
We
ma'am,
never
because
say
I didn't
what
know
to our
about.
elders. Listen, one thing, we never say what to our elders. This is not the way of talking to your elders. What?
Sorry, ma'am.
You people are in class 12, then I have to teach you etiquettes and manners, how to talk to your elders.
Ma'am, I'm extremely sorry.
What am I asking? Why have you joined the class for the very first day? This is your first day, na?
Yes, ma'am. Because I didn't know about the online classes. I'm a dummy student.
Acha, you are a
So,
dummy student. Okay, fine.
hmm.
So you are a new admission or what?
No, I was there in 11th also.
Acha, you were there in 11th also.
Yes,
So
ma'am.
you did not come to know about the online classes? Each and every school is having and you were unaware of it. Very strange, I find this. Anyways, now got it, children. So Mr. Lamb, he talks to himself and he says that all the children whosoever comes here, they do promise that they would return, but they never return. Now this is scene 2 and this is the house of Derry, and Derry is having a conversation with his mother. Mother ka dialogue, okay? You think I don't know about him, you think I haven't heard things. Now see, Derry, he tells something about Mr. Lamb that I just went there, I like the place and now I would be returning back. I promised to help him in plucking the crab apples and all. So mother says that, what do you think? I do not know about that man, okay? I haven't heard things about him. What do you think? Means she wants to say that I have heard many things about that old man. You shouldn't believe all you hear. Derry says now, Derry has developed a very positive attitude. You know, positivity has come in him, okay? And now he wants to live his own life, you know. So he says that you should not believe whatever you hear. Being told warned means I have been told by the people, I have been warned. We have not lived here 3 months means we have been living here, okay, not more than 3 months, but still I know everything about that old man, and I know what there is to know, and you are not to go back there. है ना? I know what is to be known, okay? That is essential. I know everything about that man. And she asks her son not to go back to Mr. Lamb. What are you afraid of? Daddy bolta hai. What do you think he is? An old man with a tin leg. He lives in a huge house without curtains and has a garden. He just says to his mother, "Kya samajhte ho aap kya hai?" He's just an old man, having a tin leg, a lame man, and he lives in a big house that does not have any curtains, and the house has a garden, and I want to be there and sit there and listen to the things. Listen and look. Listen to what? Mother asks. Bees singing and him talking. See, his attitude has changed now. He says bees singing, not humming, not buzzing, okay, and him talking. Now whatever Mr. Lamb had talked to him, he liked it. And finally, he had developed an interest to talk to this old man, right? Because now he had developed a positivity in him. He don't want to be all alone. He want to be near people. He want to be among people. And what is he got to say to you? What is he going to tell you? Things that matter, things nobody else has ever said. ये सब चीजें वो बोलेंगे मेरे को. Derry says things that I want to think about. Then you stay here and do your thinking. You're best of here. Okay, mother, she becomes somewhat very strict and say, okay, fine, sit here, stay at home and do the thinking. I hate it here. Okay. अब वो जो है protest करता है, no, I'll not be here in the house. I hate it. You can't help the things you say, I forgive you. When Derry gives a very blunt reply, mother says, I cannot blame you. Why? Because maybe you have become very frustrated. Maybe you're very irritated because of your burn face. So I don't blame you for the way you are answering to me. It's bound to make you feel bad things and say them. I don't blame you. Derry, it's got nothing to do with my face and what I look like. Okay? कहते हैं ये जो मैंने बोला है ना, that do not have any relation with me or with my face. I don't care about that and it isn't important. See now, he says I don't care about my burnt face. Okay, earlier he was so sensitive about his burnt face, right? कितना सेंसिटिव था कि लोगों के सामने जाना नहीं पसंद करता था बेटा, लेकिन अब वो कहता है आई डोंट केयर अबाउट इट एंड इट इजंट इम्पोर्टेंट, इट इज नॉट इम्पोर्टेंट, इट्स व्हाट आई थिंक एंड फील एंड व्हाट आई वांट टू सी एंड फाइंड आउट एंड हियर. व्हाट इज इम्पोर्टेंट? What I think and feel and what I want to see and find out. And I'm going back there only to help him with the crab apples. And he declares, okay, you'll stop here, mother orders, stop here. Oh, no, because if I don't go back there, usko bhi lagta hai ki yadi main aaj nahi gaya, then never in my life I will be there at Mr. Lamb's garden. So he says, oh, no, because if I don't go back there, I'll never go anywhere in this world. And he slams the door, he moves out and he says, I want the world, I want it, and I want it. And he just runs away. He reaches to Mr. Lamb's garden. Now, Mr. Lamb, he's plucking the apple, and while plucking, he just speaks some few words, few phrases, steady, that's got it, that is more. And again, that's it. Or wo le raha ye raha, wo raha karke, he's just plucking the apple. Meanwhile, a cracking sound aati hai, crash hota hai kuch. Ladder, it falls back. The ladder on which he was standing, it falls back. Mr. Lamb with it. Mr. Lamb also falls on the ground. A thumbing sound is there. Branch swishes back, branch, it moves back to its place, it creaks. Okay, creaking sound is there, then silence is there. And meanwhile, Daddy, he opens the garden gate, still panting, he's breathless. Why? Because he came running. Okay. You see, I came back. You said I wouldn't, and they said, but I came back, I wanted. Okay. अब इतना पेंटिंग कर रहा है, इतना हाफ रहा है, ब्रेथलेस हो रहा है कि वो मिस्टर लैम को कहता है, देखो देखो मैं आ गया, तुमने कहा था नहीं आओगे. And even others, they had the same opinion, but still I had returned. I came back, I wanted. Mr. Lamb, now there was silence, pin drop silence, a deathly silence was there. And then he says, Mr. Lamb, you have. And then he runs there. Okay, he runs where Mr. Lamb was lying. He just stops, he kneels down there Mr. Naim, it's all right. You fell. I'm here. Don't worry. कोई बात नहीं, आप गिर गए. I'm here, okay, to help you, Mr. Lamb. It's all right. But Mr. Lamb, he does not speak. I came back, Lammy Lamb. Now he also calls him Lammy Lamb, okay? And he says, I have come back, Mr. Lammy Lamb. I have come back. I have returned. But there wasn't any response. And Derry, he understands that Mr. Lamb, he was no more, and he starts crying, okay, as Mr. Lamb was dead. But with his passing away, he gives a very positive attitude to Derry, who now decides to live his own life and to be among the people, near the people, not to be afraid of his burnt face, not to care about it at all. Okay, not to worry about it. Clear, beta?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Everybody?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Clear.
Clear? Only 2 of the questions you will do from the text, means the textual questions, okay? One is in the very beginning of the chapter and the other one given at the back questions. The first one you are going to do, है ना? वो करोगे आप और फिर उसके बाद extra questions I'm going to give you tomorrow, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, because I think so they are 15 or 16 questions. So I'm having nearly 40 questions with me. I'll select and give you 15 or 16 questions. Okay. Clear, beta?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, now enough for today. And just take care of yourself and your family members. Don't move out until and unless it is not necessary. Okay, stay home, stay safe. Don't move out.
Thank you. Thank
Okay?
you, ma'am.
Thank you.
And take care of all the elders that are there in the family who are about 60 years and so on. ठीक है, और आपको भी बाहर निकलने की जरूरत नहीं है unnecessarily. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, bye. God bless you all.
Thank you, ma'am.